Hello everyone, I am back with another super useful video. In this video, we will be creating a complete app from scratch without a single line of code and for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free and without a single line of code. I just created this app in which I can upload two images of a product and a model. I just uploaded these two images like this watch and this model you can see, and that then it generated these two images, and in which I can basically select one of these and then click on this, and this will basically create an ad video for us. And we can literally create a lot of apps about any idea. If you want to create any game, you can create. If you want to create an app, you can create. If you want to even create a front end for your automations, you can even do that as well. So in what I am using, basically I am using Gemini, and in Gemini what you have to do is basically I'm using Google AI Studio. So how you will find the Google AI Studio? Go to your browser and search Google AI Studio and click on this, and you'll see this link, Google AI Studio. What you have to do is just click on this, and in here click here and click on build, and you are good to go to create your first app. Step number one will be basically go to ChatGPT and give your idea to ChatGPT. Here, let me allow this. Here, ChatGPT, I want to create an app using Google AI Studio, and the app will be basically a AI ad generator in which I upload my product like a watch or maybe clothes, and then I upload my model. And then basically when I click, then I can create basically images, and it will create two images. Out of those two images, I can select one, and I can basically, the one which I have selected, I can edit that image a bit, and then I can basically means go on and create a video. And before creating a video, I will have an option to basically add a video prompt, a small video prompt, so that it can generate a video according to me. So what I want from you is to create a prompt. Before creating a prompt, if you have any question, you can ask me. So in here, I just, tell ChatGPT what I want, right? So it will clarify things by asking a question, and then after that, it will generate a prompt which we can just copy and paste in our basically. And here you can see that, and I think now I need a prompt. So it basically do means do not want any, the question, and it basically says that do you want any a big prompt or something like that. I just said now I want a prompt. So you can see that it's creating me a prompt which will be basically, or I can copy from here like this. Let me first read what it have mentioned, that basically you are an AI creative ad generator, and yes, this is true, and yes, this is true, and yes, this is also. And step one, image generation. Step two, image editing, and rest of things, video generation. And please add this point that I will have an option to download that video. So I forgot to add a point that we'll be able to download that video which is being generated. So I will also paste that, and you can see that it just uploaded that. Now we are ready to just paste this. So what you have to do is come to the build section in Google AI Studio, and in here you can paste your prompts, right? And I'll click on this, and in here you can see that it started generating our first app. So it's now thinking, it's now breaking out steps. Here you can see that it is finalizing the architecture, how the things will work, which tool I'm using, and this will be basically for free. Means it will be using the Gemini tools for doing everything, the Gemini APIs for doing everything. You don't have to add any API or something like this. And in here you can see that it just started the coding, and my hands are up, and you can see that it's writing the complete code, and I don't have to write a single line of code. And in here you can see that we have started, it means it just created three tabs like index HTML, metadata, JSON, and index text. And I don't know about these things. And app.txt or something like this, TSX, is just generating the code, completely code. So let me see that. And in here you can see that I think these tasks are being done and some of them are just remaining, and within 5 minutes we will have our complete app, and then we can basically point out if there will be any error, and we don't have to solve even, means basically fix that error. The Gemini will by itself fix the error and we will have a complete program. And in here you can see that our program is being generated, and this is our application which I just created in front of you. And wow, so this is, let me click on the full screen, and in here you can see that I have an option of product image, and then I have model image, and then how I want to basically do the things. So now let's select a product. Let's say I will be selecting the same watch, and yes, this is a product open, and this will be now a model image. I just uploaded that model as well. Let's click on the generate ads. So now it's, you can see that processing and generating creative ad image. Now it will first generate the ad image, and then we can select that image, and basically we can proceed to our next step, which is basically creating a video ad. And in here you can see that, wow, these are the two images which are being generated from this video. Wow, I'm really amazed by the quality. And here you can see that, and now we have option to basically edit the background or anything else we want to edit. So wow, it's created something really amazing. So let me create on generator ad. So as we are using free Veo, means at the backend it is using a Veo 3 or Veo 2 or something like that. So that's why it is slow, because a lot of people nowadays are using that service, that API. That's why. And you can see that our video is now being generating, and it says that it can take few minutes, which means good things come to those who wait or something like that. And wow, this is the word we just generated. Let me download a video and show this to you, and add creative. This is the ad we just generated. Wow. And you can add the sound effects, or look at the realistic image, or look at the video quality. You can see that, look at the transition, background, and everything else. Basically, I just selected, and you can now create another one. So this is how I created a complete app in front of you guys. So you got the point, and you can create apps similar to, like, these based on your work, and you can even deploy this. Like, click on deploy and select any Google, means Google Cloud Console account. And once you select that, and you will be able to use your app, means basically it will be live then. And if you want to share the code or the basically this application which you just created to anyone, you can just click on the share, and you can copy the app and paste somewhere else. So this was the idea. And you can see that, let me save things. I just already saved everything, and here you can see that fast forward, and there are a lot of apps. Within few months or within even few weeks, it will not be for free. So I want you to use this for yourself. And if you like this video, so let me know in the comments that which app you will be creating using the same, and please like, share, and subscribe this video for more amazing tech videos like these.